Hello and welcome everybody in today's video. In it I will be giving you a quick guide how to create an account in OpenSea. Quickly before that, MEXC, a quick and easy platform to use for crypto trading. Check them out, link is down in the description below. They are our sponsors for today. Also FTMO, if you want to trade with other people's money and you want to keep up to 90% of the profits for yourselves, there are the people for you. You just have to prove to them that you're a professional trader. Everything has a catch, guys. Alright, so quickly, you head over to OpenSea.io and on the right side click create account. You'll be given several options. So you have all these kinds of wallets. Right now I'll be showing you how to create our account with Metamask. It's pretty much the same for everyone. Click on Metamask. You must have it installed and already created an account with Metamask beforehand. And select one of your accounts or your account, depending if you have multiple. Click next and click connect. Then you will be prompted to sign in. And that's pretty much it. Afterwards, you just need to fulfill profile avatar if you want. Your name. And the other is pretty much just not necessary. Also, one quick thing for OpenSea, as you can see, depending on which blockchain, you should probably switch to the Ethereum mainnet. That's it. So hope this helped. Have a nice day. See you next time.